Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V60 Lite and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. Alright, so let's pretend I've got problems with Google Chrome. So I try to open it and it doesn't really cooperate with me. So let's begin with tapping on it and holding it until we will see more options and tap on App Info. So first thing I highly recommend to do is to go to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. Your device will basically clean the junk files which are saved, which are naturally saved, but they are not necessary for the proper usage and actually sometimes can interfere. So removing it is quite important. After that, go back and tap on Force Stop. Sometimes if the app is working in the background, it might interfere with and it won't open again. So force stop it. Now you can try to open it, and if that didn't work, then repeat those steps and force restart your device. So just press the power button long enough until you see this restart option, and in order to actually confirm all of the changes you've made. If that didn't work, I highly recommend to check for the updates, because sometimes older versions might have some problems. So let's go to the Play Store. First of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. Secondly, you need to be logged in. You need to have your Google account added to the device. You can either log in after entering the Play Store, or you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. So after entering, just tap on search, and here enter the name of the app which causing you a lot of problems. Let's tap on Chrome and we can tap on it. As you can see, if the update is pending, your device will show this information here. So I highly recommend to tap on update and then wait until it will be installed. If that didn't work, I highly recommend coming back to this section again, and instead of update you will have uninstall. Tapping on uninstall and letting your device remove the app completely will allow you to delete all of the files connected with that, and after that try to install it again. Your device will download the newest version, and sometimes it is a little bit better and more stable option than overwriting the newer version over the older one. So I highly recommend to do that, and as a last resort I highly recommend to check for your system updates, because sometimes it also might cause some problems. So just go to the settings. Here we have to scroll all the way down to find system update, and if your device will show you the information that there is an update pending and for some reason it was not downloaded yet, I highly recommend to download it and then let it install, and after that try to, for example, uninstall the app again or try to update it, etc, etc. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.